So for this, we need food coloring, 4, for example, and we need Alka-Seltzer in 4 containers with that are different sizes, because we need to see the different reactions. So we already put the vegetable oil more than half in the containers. So first, what you want to do is put water in all the way to the top.
That's good.
And then we keep on doing it. I think that's good. And this one.
You see how the water's separating from the
There we go. I think it's good enough. Now this. Okay. So now what you want to do is put 10 drops of the same color into the water and the vegetable oil. Put the Alka-Seltzer in. You can split it into as much pieces as you want, but make sure it's not too many. And then it will bubble up and make something cool happen. So the food coloring will go up, and then it will make all the water green. And then the Alka-Seltzer will fizz and disappear. But it will move for a long time.
You want to do the next one?
Okay, let's do the next one. So we do it in 4. So let's do the red one. See how that one is still going? It keeps on going and going. Did you see that large drop? Okay, this is...
Sure, we're focused on the red one now.
So...
I like the red one. I think it's cool.
It makes a lot of bubbles in this one. I don't know why, though.
I think the red stands out in the oil. The green kind of blends in. You can still see it. It still looks cool,
Yeah.
but I think the red's
Because on the
really
bottom
cool.
it's like black.
Yeah.
Black is green.
But the green's got some mondo bubbles going on.
Yeah.
The red will probably get there, though.
So... It's really... The Alka-Seltzer just floated to the top of the water.
Yeah,
Or right here.
Want to do the blue one now?
Okay. So now, do blue.
See how the short one looks.
And then...
It's pretty much the same. It's the same reaction no matter how big the glass is, but I just thought doing different size containers would be cool.
So the blue actually looks interesting because it's like light blue. That one's turning green too. Or like teal. That one's turning teal. That's cool. I thought it was just gonna...
Well, it's because the oil's like a yellowish tint, so. There's a lot of clear bubbles in there, though, too.
Yeah. That is really cool. But the other ones are still going. But they were really slow. And Alka-Seltzer is not even gone yet.
You have something to stir this with?
Or you could use it. Does that hurt?
No, it's just oil. It's gross.
That is cool.
I'm looking at bunch of blue over here.
That's too much blue. That is actually really cool.
So there's more blue bubbles coming up.
Yeah, that'd be funny.
I want to do the orange or yellow, whatever color it is.
Yellow.
It's going to be hard to see with the oil, though, I think.
Yeah.
Can you get these on the back?
It looks red on the bottom already. Let's do this in a bunch of pieces. So. Okay. Come on.
Come on, just plop them in.
Let's do this. Okay. Oh! It's turning red. On the bottom it is. It's like orange on the bottom.
Mm-hmm. I think it's orange food. I think it's supposed to be orange. It looks yellow.
Oh my god.
They don't last very long. Like, this one's still going, but after a while they kind of... I mean, there's still bubbles in there, which is cool. But, they kind of just stopped doing their thing.
Those ones are still going, but they're slow.
You know.
Yeah.
Then there's this one, which are just